Alright, so today I'm just going to show you guys how to rebuild this, just replace all the bushings and whatnot in this shifter for a Toyota, and it should take out some of the slop that's in there. So first you're going to want to replace this bottom bushing here. And it's just, this is the replacement here. It's a little clear bushing. Just press it on. There you go. And for the top here, you pull up this little boot. And you push down on this little retaining clip here. And you turn it counterclockwise. And the shifter pops out. And there's going to be another bushing in here. Just pull it out, replace it with a new one. Then you just slide back slide the shifter back in. Push down on the little retaining clip. And then turn clockwise. And then that's it. You just pull the boot back down and you're ready to reinstall. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.